Okay, this is part 2, okay, of the recording. So we figured out how to, okay, calculate using the cosine ratio. I just want to do 1b very quickly first before I jump over. Okay, I don't like to waste your time. So for number 1b, okay, so I'm just going to draw a very rough sketch. Okay, your triangle will look like this. Okay, of course it's a right angle triangle, and you see that this side is 17, okay, x, and this side over here is 56. All right, this is number 1b. All right, so let's look at what other ratios we have. Okay, because we have this angle here, this is the hypotenuse, this is the opposite, it's not the adjacent. The adjacent side in fact is this side that's touching the angle here. Okay, so given that this side is opposite, we use SOH. Okay, so how do we write this out? Sine 56 equals to opposite over the hypotenuse. Alright, so if you want to calculate this, now sine 56 is x over 17, so x is equal to, okay, 17, okay, times sine 56. And once you can press this in your calculator, you'll find that your answer, correct to 3 decimal places, okay, will actually be 14.1. okay, 3 significant figures because it goes on forever. Alright, so that's just a quick look on how to do something like 1b. Okay, later on you can replay this part. Now, okay, let's talk about 3c. 3a. Okay, 3a is slightly different because what happens, we are given a triangle and then we are asked to find the angle. Okay, so now let's draw the triangle. Okay, right angled triangle as well. Okay, this side is 2, this side is 3. So just to recap, if I draw something like this and I ask you which is the opposite side, which is the adjacent side, you are not able to tell me. Okay, if you do not know what or do you not know where it's labeled, it's impossible to determine the adjacent and opposite. But now, once you know that this is the angle in question, then I can say, yes, this is the opposite side, 2 is the opposite side, 3 is the adjacent side. Okay, so we'll use the ratio now, 10. Okay, okay, 3. Okay, so we use this 3. Okay. TOA. Alright, so this refers to tangent. Okay, or tangent theta equals to the opposite over the adjacent. That's OA. Okay, so it's 2 over 3. Remember, 2 is the opposite side because it's the side that's away from the angle, and 3 is the side that's next to it, so that's the adjacent. Okay, so tangent theta equals to 2 over 3. Okay, listen up carefully because this is what you press on your calculator. If you have a tangent teacher and tangent theta, and if you want to isolate theta, this is what you need to press, okay, on your calculator. Press shift and tangent, you'll get something like this. Listen up, please do not call this tangent inverse. I know it's popular among students, but the proper way, this thing over here is called arc tangent. Okay, this thing over here, okay, this thing is called, the proper name is this, okay, arc tangent. Okay, this is the proper name for it. Alright, it's not inverse tangent, it's arc tangent. So you press shift tangent, you should get this on your calculator. And the thing is that, okay, theta equals arc tangent over 2 over 3. Sorry, not over. Arc tangent bracket 2 over 3. You press this on your calculator, you're going to get a very long string. But remember, length, we round up to 3 significant figures. If we are talking about degrees now, okay, then we will round it off to 1 decimal place. So press your calculator, press this on your calculator, you should get theta equals to 33.7 degrees. Okay, so this is how to do your calculations. Alright, so now I'm going to tell you what I would like you to do while I'm away. Okay, you can either do this, want you to do this in your notebook so you got something to refer to. However, in the event that you do not bring your notebook, please do it on foolscap paper. Okay, so these are the questions I would like you to do. Okay, so exercise 7.1. Okay, the questions here, once you get them, they're pretty standard. Of course, you can ask your shoulder partner beside you, please do not make too much noise. Okay, in your books, I'll allow you to do question 1C. Okay, 1C, 1D. Okay, do the rest of question 1. Okay, and okay, do the whole of question 2. Okay, it's really not that difficult. In fact, most of the answers are one line. And okay, for question number 3, okay, you don't need to do too much. I think just do B and C. That will do. Okay, and for those of you that finished this chunk early, there are more challenging questions. Okay, so if you're done with the question 1, 2, and 3, just do question 4. Okay, question 4, it's a bit more challenging. I'll talk about it when I come back next week to talk to all of you. Okay, so please do this in your notebook or foolscap. Okay, and the total time for these videos I estimate should be 20 minutes or less. Okay, so the rest of the time is for you to do working. Okay, have a nice day. Okay, thank you 387. I will see you next week.